So ito na nga, inaffirm na ng Supreme Court yung murder conviction doon kay Kian De Los Santos. So what does this mean? The justice system works. It is slow, painstakingly slow. Okay? But throwing it out or dismissing it out is not going to help na pabilisin yung justice natin. We need to contribute as a society para mag-isip ng ways ng kung anong meron tayo para matulungan natin yung justice system natin na mapabilis. And again, not using our justice system won't help. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? If our justice system works, then meaning kaya natin mag-prosecute ng ganitong klaseng high-level cases given that our justice system needs to work or has to work on something. Kailangan natin silang bigyan evidences, testigo, so on and so forth na magpapatibay doon sa kaso ng mga biktima. Unlike doon sa narrative ng mga anti-drug war na kung saan wala daw justice system, wala daw gumagana na etc. etc. Not really the case. And again, hindi lahat ng namatay sa drug war ay EJK case. Yes, may EJK case, but hindi lahat ng namatay sa drug war ay EJK. We need to give credit doon sa police na gumawa ng trabaho nila na nagresulta ng pagbaba ng krimen nung panahon ni Duterte. Gets?
This is Pinoy Extreme.